Hi students, let me take some example of exponents. So this is the evaluate. First question 3 over 11 की power 8 divide 3 over 11 की power 5. I have told you students in dividations, first you see the bases. So base is 3 over 11 and in divides the power can be subtracted. So here 8 minus 5. So we get 3 over 11 की power 3. That is the answer. And second question students we takes. This is the second question. 3 over 7 की power minus 1 multiply 7 over 5 की power minus 1. So you see students, I have told you about the reciprocal. If you get the minus power, so the base can be exchanged. The denominators numbers can be come on the place of numerators and the numerator numbers can be in the place of numerators. So it means to say we can write this 7 over 3 multiplied 5 over 7. Okay students, and after that you can multiply it here by 7 and 7 we get here 5 over 3. So that is the answer students. That is the answer. And now we take question number 7. And question number 7 students, you see here you see 2 की power 5 की power 4 की power 2. It means to say when you see the power to powers you can multiply it here. So here we see 2 over 5 की power 4 to 8 multiplied 1 over 2 की power minus 2 multiplied 2 की power minus 1 multiplied 1 over 4 की power minus 1. So students you see 2 over 5 की power 8 multiplied. I have told you students about that numbers. So when the numbers in negative form, so you can write this and can the bases change. So here you see 2 की power 2 and here 1 over 2 and here you see 4. So we get here 2 की power 5 की power 8 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 1 over 2 multiplied 4. So here we get 2 and 2 की power 5 2 की power 8 multiplied 8. So that is the answer you can write students. Otherwise you can solve this y 2 over 5 multiplied 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 2 over 5. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7 time, 8 time. So 8 time you can multiply it here and after that you multiply 8. So you can write same as this way or you can write as this way. And now you can take student question number 9. Question number 9. In question number 9 you see student find the value of. So here we can take question number 9 from here 2 over 5 की पावर 3 मल्टीप्लाइड 2 over 5 की पावर -6 इक्वल टू 2 over 5 की पावर 2a minus 1. Here we can take only power, so we can write this 2 की power 5 3 minus 6 equal to 2 की power 5 2a minus 1. So compare on power 3 minus 6 equal to 2a minus 1. We get here minus 3 2a minus 1. So here we get 2a equal to minus 2 or a equal to minus 2 over 2. It means to say 1. That is the answer, students. So this is the value of a is minus 1. And after that exercise 2.2 we see scientific notation. So how to write any number in scientific manners. So here we get, so let's we take that is the scientific notation 4 1 3 4 5 0 0 0 0 0. So scientific notation in scientific notation we write the given value in 10 की powers. So here you see this is the numbers. We can write this 4.1345 0 0 0 0 0 and 10 की power. How many the number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can multiply here 9. So this is the scientific notation, students. You can write here. You can put a decimals before the given numbers. You can left only single numbers. That is single number is 4. You can put decimal mark before 4. And after the notation you can make 10 की powers. So that is the notation. So you can write this. And second question is, students, 0.0000000 and 35. So here you see, students, the numbers should be in negative powers. So should be in negative power, it means to say you can easily write this 10 की power 1 2 3 4 5 6. And I have told you the decimal marks here. So 10 की powers you can get here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 10 की power 8. And here we can write 3.5. It means to say multiply 10 की power 1 or here 10 की power 8. You can take above. So we can write this numbers 3.5 multiplied 10 की power minus 8 plus 1. 3.5 multiplied 10 की power minus 7. So students, you can write this as a scientific notations. So this is the exponents exercise ends. If you have any problems in exponents, so you can ask, feel free. Till then,